G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making the spiced Mai Tai. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, grab a glass. We're using a goblet glass today. Load it up with some ice. Beautiful. Now, grab a dark rum, 30 mils. A white rum, 30 mils. About 15 mils of Contro. $30 mils of fresh lime juice. Depending on the limes, you might have to do a whole lime. That one didn't give us much. And there we go. 15 mils of sugar syrup. And 15 mils of almond syrup. And shake away. Alrighty. Strain into your glass. Might just top that up with a bit more ice. And to garnish, a bit of pineapple and a lime. Well, so we're going to do fresh pineapple, and we're going to use a dried lime well. Probably should put the wheel on first so I can see it. There we go. And there you have this spiced Mai Tai. Enjoy.